Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to prevent auto invite with my live chat. So this is not the most popular chat, but it's a good, decent chat, and especially it's one of the best free chats. If you have a small website, you want to add a small chat for free, that works really good. The only problem is that some of the options are really hard to find. I mean, to implement it's really easy. You get like a code, like some kind of JavaScript you can add to your website. It's pretty easy. And then you have clients on your phone, on PC, you have fat client, you have a web client, you have everything. That's super easy, but the options are sometimes really difficult to find. And this is how to disable the auto invite. So here I am on the website. There's of course the dashboard which you need when you want to set up everything. So here there's the actual dashboard with all the settings, and yeah, we have here the deployment, of course, with the code, and we have some settings of the pop-up chats, as you can see, chat invitations, also triggers here. We have even triggers here, and I thought, yeah, okay, when I add a trigger and then it will auto invite, when I delete it, it's gone. No, here we have standard invitation triggers, general settings, we have, I think, more triggers, and so on and so on. There is so much here to choose from. It's absolutely crazy how many options. It's, at least for me, it's a little bit confusing, and so I couldn't find out how to disable auto invite. I had to ask the support, and I got a nice answer back, and it's in the agent console. So here, I mean, for me, I'm using the web client instead of the fat client, and yeah, here it is in the tools, options, and then auto invite, and we have to set this to 0. Press OK, and it's done. It's so easy, but you really have to know where to do that. It is absolutely crazy. I don't know why they didn't put this into the normal settings on the website. So yeah, sometimes it's super hard to find, but when you know where things are, then it's a really nice chat. I don't complain. It's really stable, working good, and so on. So I can highly recommend. I'm not paid for this review. It's my honest opinion. Yeah, if you have any questions, if you're interested into that, if you have any questions, just write anything in the comment section, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.